So we are at Old Stone Fort Park, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but look what we found. I don't know if you can see it. It's the other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Right there. Yeah, it's a basketball. Ain't that cool?
Okay, so seems to be an emergency of some sort. I'm not sure what's going on, but the park ranger is with a young boy, teenager, I should say, and I'm not sure if someone is hurt or lost. We didn't hear all of it, but that's why he was closing the museum for a few minutes. So we're just going to go up top. These steps and this wall, this is on top of the museum. So this whole area is museum underneath. But right there, those are some of the mounds. I will go over there too, but you can see the mounds from here. But this is some cool information. So
yeah.
Yeah,
For some reason, I was thinking that they had built. It was kind of like a levee system, but I guess it's not. I thought I had read that somewhere, but
I'm going to take a little walk around the edge here. So there's the trail right there that we took last time we stopped. We were headed home from Chattanooga, and we just happened to see a sign that said waterfalls, and so we came here and stopped and we hiked that trail. And we did all this too, but we weren't YouTubing at that time, so we didn't get all this good footage. There's a few pictures that we took while we were here.
how you doing?
But we didn't. There's the waterfall.
One of them.
Yeah, one of them.
Yeah.
But how peaceful is this? I mean, really. And you can see all the way around. And remember when we were here, we actually went through the water to get to this point. If you remember, we had to get off the trail and go through the water to get across. Yeah, and there were people up here on the levee. There were people up here on this part here.
Yeah, I remember that.
People swimming. It was really, yeah. So, yeah, this is a cool place, y'all. I know I keep saying that. I sound like a broken record, but it's nice. Here's another one for you, Charlie. You want to read that one?
Okay, so the dam was built in 1963, 3 years before the Old Stone Fort became a Tennessee State Park. It was not associated with any of the industrial mills that once operated here. The river seen here is the Barren Fork or the Big Duck River. Okay, so the Little Duck, I believe, if we walk down over here, we can see it, and I think that's where they join, and that's where he was telling me that, probably the best place to fish is right there where they join up together. So this is the Big Duck River. The Bark Camp Fork or Little Duck River is located behind you. So these two rivers make their drop off the highland rim to each side of the Old Stone Fort. They join together below the Old Stone Fort. So we'll have to walk around and check that out as well. So
all right. So there's some very good information there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I think we're going to keep walking, so let's go for it. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the sweet puppy.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Adorable.
I like people.
You like people?
Hi.
She thinks somebody comes out here to see her.
Oh, what's her name?
Lily.
Lily? Hi, Lily. Are you camera shy?
Say no.
Oh, looky. I'm going to try to get you.
Yeah,
Aw,
She's beautiful.
you're so pretty.
thank you.
Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
She loves to come out and see people.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
she's adorable.
Sit and wait.
Well, y'all have a good day. So these are the mounds we were talking about earlier. And you can, they were, did you say, Charlie, they were formed by the Indians?
Uh-huh.
So Native Americans formed these mounds, and you can still, I mean, it looks just like, you know, regular mounds of dirt, but they've been here for, what did they say, 2,000 years?
Yeah.
2,000 years they've been here. So, gosh, I can't get over, God has given us this beautiful, beautiful day in February. Holy moly. It has to be, I mean, it has to be close to 70, if not in the 70s right now. I don't know what it is, but anyway. So Charlie has found us another sign. What is this one?
It's just the first feature, so I guess where we just walked through right there, the only gateway evident in the walls. So I'm assuming it's this little trail that we're walking on right here.
Nice.
There's the opening between the outer walls, a ditch across the opening, and detached in-turn parallel mound walls. When complete, the parallel walls projected over 150 foot within the enclosure.
Wow. Cool. This is some cool information.
Walk, come on around.
We're going to go over here and see if there's a baby in the carriage.
No baby.
So, here we go. There's another one. Take a picture of that one. The enclosed grounds. This is really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. No baby. Okay, so if you can see this, it says beware of trail side cliffs. So, if you look right over here, we are on a cliff, basically.
Duh.
So I guess if you're not careful and you take off running or something, you might go tumbling. If you're clumsy like me, you would definitely go tumbling down.
So this is the Little Duck River.
Yeah, pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have a lot more hiking to do. How long is the hike here, do you know?
I have no idea. I thought it said it's like a little over a mile loop or something.
So, the old stone fort. I guess we're coming up on that then.
Come on, babe. We can do this.
Don't do that.
We'll do this together. You ready?
No, get away from me.
Come here.
Get away from me. I'm not falling off this cliff.
Come on, baby.
I'm not going down there.
Okay, y'all. I'm telling her that there is a step right here, right there, where we could get to there and get down there. And she will not listen to me for some reason.
I'm not coming down there.
Fine. Oh, there's stairs.
I took
Okay, now
the
she's
easy
time to
way
be a
down.
smarty. I just hiked down the cliff.
Those steps weren't here last time. like that.
Yeah.
Look at all the way up. Are you getting pictures? He's fine. Woo. I'm scared.
So I don't know if you can tell or not, but along the trail here, we're like on the very back side of the trail. It's kind of hard to tell.
You can kind of point with your finger.
Yep, right there, all the way around, there is a mound that goes around the perimeter. So this mound also straddles a boundary between two different terrains and ecosystems.
Oh yeah.
Till
You can tell there.
it's just a mound that goes all the way around there.
2,000 years. Can you imagine? It's amazing that they haven't washed away.
Yep.
It says moat trail, so I guess that all of this is a big moat
Must be.
all the way around, and we're in the middle of it. Old stone fort, Civil War era powder magazines. Look here. It says powder storage and distribution.
Oh, powder mill. Okay.
Mhm.
That's what that is.
So that's
See, I
what
didn't
we're-
even know.
That's what we're coming up on eventually. Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
That's really cool. Could you just imagine? I mean, look at the pictures. I like to see the pictures. See the kids. I just think that's so cool and nice, neat. You know, those days were hard, but easy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like that. I just think that would be like today. You have to be so careful with your kids and watch everything you do. You know what I mean? It's like there's more dangerous. Like look at that. They're just hanging out with the cow. You know what I mean?
Hanging out with the cow.
It just, I don't know,
Yeah.
it just seems like a simple life that sometimes I wish I had, lived it.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is, okay, let's keep going. I'm ready to see the powder house. This is it's never ending.
That's just beautiful.
How many acres did we say?
I'm not sure. I can't remember what it said now. So we made it. We followed the Little Duck River around. Little Duck. Meet Big Duck. This is the Big Duck River. The landscape is absolutely beautiful. You know, like I said before, I'm interested in the history of places and things, but man, I am all about the view.
Could you imagine this in the fall with all the leaves
Oh
and
yeah,
colors?
it's absolutely beautiful. But night is beautiful as that.
Whatever.
Like I said, I'm all about the view.
It's so weird.
They're back. Yeah, look at the dog. No, they are. There's one all the way over there. We keep trying to get it. Oh, the black one's the one with the man. Maybe they want to put it
Well,
if I was a dog and I was found laughing.
No doubt.
heck yeah.
Yeah, so far we love everything about it. The campground and all, it's nice. And
I like it.
yeah, definitely.
Because right now it's just like really high.
And I'm sure if you guys been to Gatlinburg area,
Yeah,
have you? Have you been to Cades Cove?
not yet. We went to
Oh,
Elkmont.
did ya?
Yeah.
I keep telling my husband they just had a worker HPC and they had a position open about 7 months ago in Townsend, which is right outside of Cades Cove. And I said, look in for that for transfer. And he was like, now he's like, we have 7 kids and our oldest one. When we moved here, they were in high school and they were not happy with the Illinois.
Yeah. Look at that.
He's like having anxiety about the youngest one, out of school this weekend.
Yeah.
How many minutes have we been up for?
How you can just, like, I don't know. It's cool.
But
Like what?
like you was talking about the old settlers and stuff that come in here. I mean, and they just come down here. They find them a spot
And
and they build a home, and that's just awesome. Look at that water. That's beautiful.
this is just beautiful. Just wanted to show you a little more of what we're seeing. Yeah. Walking. I mean, it's just like Charlie was just talking about settlers back in the day when they just come here and pick a spot and built their homes.
Built their homes, yep, raised their family.
I can only imagine. Like, really.
Like I said, could you imagine just coming up on a spot like this and said, okay, here's where we're gonna stay? You know, like,
I'd be like, alrighty, let's do it.
that'd be unreal.
So, looky. I'm in the water. I wore tennis shoes today, no boots. Ah! But again, just another beautiful view. So I wanted to bring you guys on board and let you see it. So the last time we were here, a lot of this was underwater and we waded through the water to get to that up yonder. Do y'all see what's coming? Look, right there. Yes, we are on our way and y'all are going with us. So what'd you say that is?
Oh, it's a spring.
Spring,
Mm-hmm.
leading in.
Spring running out.
It's really pretty. Let's zoom it. Right there. That's where it's coming from. Isn't that gorgeous? Huh. So, we're at a standstill. The water's really too cold to wade through it. So we're going to have to make our way back up top to get to that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Woo. All right, so let's go up top, Charles.
So this is one of the biggest falls here at the park. What's it called? Big Falls, right?
Big Falls.
Big Falls. So I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see this. Man, absolutely beautiful. So we are coming up now on the old mill, I thought. Yep, the main mill. Okay, I was wrong. It's an old paper mill.
Where was the powder mill?
Well, I thought they said they used a powder mill for the Civil War for their, you know.
We'll have to talk. Maybe the little ranger will be there when we get back.
One is the main mill, also called the rag mill or print paper mill, and the other is the pulp mill. The main mill is thought to be the one at this location is correct. The foundation closest to Big Falls represents the site of the pulp mill pressing.
So
Paper.
this is what it looked like back. Right there's what it looked like. Go down close on that. Back all those years ago. And then this one is the pulp mill.
That right there was the pulp mill.
So that's pretty cool to think that that used to be this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take them for a tour inside the mill.
All right, so we really need to do our research and learn our history, I guess. Yeah.
So this is it.
Yep. Not this.
Not this one.
No,
How is this?
I didn't see the date on the thing. Very cool.
Hi.
Peekaboo.
Right down here, babe.
Coming. And you know how clumsy I am. Don't be filming me.
What?
Turn that thing off.
Well, good morning, everybody.
Hey.
So we didn't make it back with you last night. We did sit around and played some guitar, did a little bit of singing. I think there's a clip in there. But as far as that, we just relaxed and enjoyed our evening. So I slept in again this morning. It's a little chillier this morning too, so it was a little harder for me to get up. But I didn't sleep in too long. Would I get up about 9:15ish?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so I kind of got up a little bit earlier and went on and kind of fixed up her contraption. Some eggs and spinach and avocado and mushrooms and stuff.
And it's really good.
And took some of the bologna that we had left from yesterday, wrapped it up in aluminum foil, threw it in the fire, let it warm up. So that's what we're having for breakfast this morning. But I don't know, it's always depressing on the last day, especially in a place like this, man.
We're coming back here.
Oh yeah, we're done determined we're coming back. So
Yeah.
there's just too much to see, and it's just beautiful out here. So
So anyway, everything's just about packed up.
Yeah.
We didn't really do that much as far as setup this time.
No, I mean basically just the tent and the black stone and a little table, and that's just about it.
Yeah.
So.
And like we said earlier, the tent was like 5 minutes to put it up or something. But so we're gonna eat our breakfast and then we're gonna finish packing and head back to good old Kentucky.
And back to work.
Yeah, unfortunately for him. I get to head back to the grandkids. I'll be at my son's tonight.
Yeah.
Staying with the little one tomorrow and taking my older one. Carter is going to be 10 this month.
Yeah.
So I'll be taking him to school in the morning. So he goes to work. I go to grandbabies. I think I got the better end of that.
Yeah, he's really wanting to go camping with us again. So
yeah,
we're going to try to. Of course, in March we're going to Rock Island. Right, the first weekend of March we'll be at Rock Island State Park, and but I think in between time we're going to try to schedule something close to home that where we could take Carter along too. So
yeah, because he really wanted to come on this trip, but we would have had to take him out of school again, and so that just didn't work out this time. But yeah, he's wanting to go.
Yeah. So if you've seen our video on Penny Rouse State Park, that may be where we try to go back because we really didn't get to really explore the area as much as we wanted to. So we may try to do Penny Route. It's like 45 minutes from the house, and be really convenient. And plus, there's just so much to see and so much to do out there. So we may end up trying to do that again with Carter, and let him explore with us out there. So that'll be a good time.
Yeah, I think that will be a good time. So, but anyway,
I bet this is going to be a long video.
It's going to be a really long video. I hope you guys are okay with that. Of course, if you are with us right now at this point, apparently you're okay with it. So, and we thank you.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of stuff maybe I have to cut out. I don't know. The editing part of this is the work, So I don't know. We'll figure it out though. But again, any comments, what you guys expect and what you guys like and stuff like that. I mean, just let us know.
And give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing.
Yeah.
Let us know that you like it, and share us out. Like I said, YouTube's a funny thing. But anyhow, it all helps us, and we just want to keep coming back to you guys. So.
And we want to keep camping.
Yeah.
Keep exploring.
We're definitely going to keep camping.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
But okay, I think we'll get off here now and finish our breakfast and hit the road.
Yep.
And keep an eye out because we will have another video coming. So look for that.
Yep. So we greatly appreciate y'all.
Very much.
For watching. And we'll see you soon.
All right. Y'all have a lovely day.